So we're here at my house. Kakahilamos ko lang and I'm preparing for the big adventure that awaits us. So ito, nag-iinit lang ako ng tubig right over here. Nag-iinit lang ako ng tubig kasi gusto ko ng kape. I cannot go into this adventure without having my morning coffee, okay? Kita niyo yan? It's like 3 a.m. in the morning. In the Filipino culture, this is considered the witching hour. So we're gonna go outside, go to an abandoned place within the witching hour, which Filipino believes is the worst hour to be outside because there's a lot of evil spirits lurking around and yun ang gusto natin, okay? Okay guys, we've reached our first destination. Okay, I'm actually at the cemetery. Sorry if you don't see much. I only have a limited amount of light, okay? So I'm just gonna walk around on the cemetery. I'm gonna find the perfect place to put and set up my phone, and I guess we can start talking to some of these beautiful people. Okay, so I set up my camera and I guess we can begin our ghost hunting. I'm just gonna first open my bag and find the things that we needed to find in order to begin. My trusted phone. So, nag-ask ako sa ChatGPT, tinanong ko sa ChatGPT, what are the things na pwede nating gawin para magsummon ng multo? So, ayon kay ChatGPT, actually nilagay ko pala sa messenger ko, hinahanap ko yung ChatGPT, wala akong ChatGPT dito. Ito galing to kay ChatGPT, mali ko kung nakikita nyo, pero nasa messenger ko. So, ang nakalagay dito, pointing directly at a supposedly haunted tree, anthill, or abandoned place. So, I'm just gonna point. Ayon kay ChatGPT na kapag pumunta ka sa cemetery nang hindi nagsasabi na tabi-tabi po, you're supposedly being disrespectful to the ghosts and spirits who are living in this area. So I'm not gonna say tabi-tabi po. The point of this experience, the point of this is to ghost hunt. We're hunting ghosts. We're trying to communicate with them, right? Nakalagay dito, laughing at or desecrating graves. I'm not gonna do that. That's so disrespectful. Even if I don't believe in ghosts, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna do something disrespectful. Okay, so hindi ako masyadong research about how to talk to spirits. I should have done my research, to be fair, so I don't know how to talk to spirits. I'm gonna find a better spot kung saan makakaupo ako and let's try and chat some of these beautiful people, right? I couldn't really find a spot where I could place my phone and I could just stand up and try and communicate with ghosts. I'm just gonna stay here and see if we can communicate with some of these beautiful people. I hope they're in heaven. If they're still here on earth, that's actually sad. I want them to go to heaven, right? Even if I don't believe in ghosts and stuff like that, I just want them to go to heaven, right? Kailangan ko bang mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya? Nasa Bohol tayo, I think kailangan ko mag-Bisaya. Hello guys, ako di IC Sky Derecho. Akong tinuod nga pangan ay Josiah Derecho. Na ako diri ngaron unta para makipagstorya ninyo. If naa mo dire, please share your presence with us. Nag-record ko ron. Sorry if this is a little bit disrespectful. I hope nga dili. Let me know if I'm invited into this place. If not, magawas ko. But I really wanted to have this conversation with you guys. If pwede, if you will allow me to have this kind of conversation. Magparamdam ra mo. I don't know if that's, I don't know. Guys, I'm not here to disrespect or attack. I'm not here to hurt you. And I hope you're the same. I hope makipagstorya muna ako. You know, just let's try and communicate with each other. Na ako dire para makipag-imigo ninyo. I wanna know your life. I wanna know what happened to you in your lifetime. So if naa mo dire, please magparamdam mo na ako karon. I hope makasabot ko ninyo kay di man jud ko Bisaya, Tagalog ko. But I hope we can still have this conversation. Makasabot mo kog Bisaya. Pero I hope makasabot mo Tagalog or English kay maora man akong kaya jud. Guys, nakoy cellphone dire. Para sa mga wala nakaabot kung unsay cellphone, kani ang cellphone sa atong century karon. Nakoy flashlight dire. Kana gi-open close na ako ang flashlight. So if ganahan mo, i-open yung flashlight if naa mo diri ron. I-open. If kaya ninyo. Wala pa rin. It's either ayaw nila sa akin kausapin or mga tulog sila ngayon kasi it's still 3 a.m. Look, it's 3:57. I don't know if you can see that. It's like 3:57 a.m. right now. So, still the witching hour, but you know, I'm gonna try one last time, okay? One last. Okay, guys, now ko yung flashlight dito on. It's open right now. If you're here, if you wanted to talk to me or have conversation with me or iparamdam nga di ko invited dito or something, you can start doing that by closing this light. Pwede nyo i-close ng flashlight. Maka-close mag flashlight run. I tried. Guys, thank you guys. Bisan pa wako ka dungog ninyo, bisan pa wata nagkaroon ng conversation. I'm still thankful to have this moment with you guys. If you are still here, if you can hear me. Thank you for allowing me to be in this place. I don't feel like nga dili ko pwede dire. I feel, even though dili na ako feel necessarily nga welcome ko, I don't feel like nga gipagawas ko dire. So, thank you guys. Mo gawas na ko ron. And sorry for interrupting your stay here. Thank you guys. And that's how I'm gonna go to the next spot. Let's go to the next spot. Alright, nagbabalik tayo sa motor ko ngayon and I'm gonna go to the second place, to the second location where I think there might be ghosts or evil spirits lurking around. I think kaya hindi nagparamdam sa akin yung mga ghosts dito kasi mababait sila and ayaw nila akong takutin or something like that. Even though I'm not scared, but let's hope for the best on this next location. Let's do ghost hunting. Alright, so we've reached our final destination. You're not seeing anything because I don't see anything as well, but this is the abandoned place. We are right in front of the abandoned building right now and I can't see shit. I don't know where's the entrances, bro. You know what I'm scared more than ghosts? Humans, criminals, and snakes. Tingnan nyo yun, oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Hindi nyo nga makita yung building, oh. May ahas talaga dyan, pre. May ahas dyan. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna dive trying to ghost hunt and end up dying to a freaking snake, bro. Nope. I'm going back. I hate snakes, bro. Lahat ng mga espiritu dito, pre. Grabe. Baka mas marami pa yatang ahas dito sa abandoned place na to kaysa sa mga spirits eh. Yun ang nagpatras sa akin. Isipin mo yan, mga ahas. Alis na tayo, pre.